Our most expensive decisions when creating our homes. They come in every colour under the rainbow and in every texture and finish imaginable. But how do you make a carpet that must be hard wearing yet soft enough to feel luxuriant underfoot? The first step in the process is to make the carpet yarn. This is done by feeding bales of nylon or polyester fibre into the opening and blending machine. The carding machine untangles the individual fibres, lines them up in neat rows, then gathers them into wide bands. These bands then go into cans. From the cans, they go into a machine called a drawing frame, which draws out 5 threads to make one rough, loose thread. That thread is wound onto spools. Then they twist threads from 2 spools to make a stronger and thicker thread. Next, they twist 2 of those threads together to form a 2-ply yarn. To ensure the 2 piles don't untwist, the yarn goes through a heat-setting machine at 132 degrees Celsius. The continuous heat permanently sets the yarn, much the way a curling iron sets hair. After 45 seconds of heating, the yarn is rewound onto spools. Those spools then go to the tufting department, where the carpet making begins. A standard 3.65 metre wide carpet is made from 1,440 spools of yarn. Each spool feeds into a plastic tube, which leads into the tufting machine, where the 1,440 lines of yarn feed 1,440 tufting needles. The needles stitch the yarn into a canvas backing made of polypropylene. In slow motion, you can see the yarn being hooked on the canvas, then cut underneath into carpet pile. 12 needles work 2 centimetres of canvas. The result is a pile carpet in the standard 3.5 metre width. Next, they dye it. For multicoloured carpets, a machine called a chromajet is utilised. It works much the way a computer inkjet printer does, forcing streams of dye in different colours into the carpet fibres. The more complicated and colourful the design, the more often the machine passes over the carpet. For solid colour dyeing, there's a mixer in each dye reservoir to keep the colour even. They soak the carpet for 4 hours in a hot bath of dye and water, heated to 100 degrees Celsius. Another method uses heat and air pressure in an autoclave. What the bath method does in 4 hours, this method does in just 30 minutes, and with more carpets at a time. Once the dyeing is finished, a water-based glue is applied to a polypropylene backing. Then the backing is put over the original canvas backing, locking the carpet fibres in place. Finally comes the marriage roll process, where a roller press weds the 2 backings together. After a quick run through an oven to make the water in the glue evaporate, the finished carpets are put onto rolls. Now all you've got to do is move all the furniture.